Alright, it is 1 o'clock and we are on our way out. We woke up a little bit earlier than yesterday today and had breakfast in the room. And now we're heading out to go to a park and take a nice walk.
Great.
Mom, are you pleased?
Yes, I'm pleased. We're by the beach.
You have to read number 12.
Seems nice. What's number 12 on the warning list?
Don't read it.
Oh no. Not supposed to raise umbrellas or use floating devices in the red safety area. Or when the red safety thing is fine. Maybe it's related to the sharks.
No.
You're signaling the sharks. I don't know. The beach. Quite peaceful. We walked all the way down to the other end. And now we're probably going to go to, what is it called, Chatham?
Yes, Chatham.
Chatham. Alright, we are at Matt's Chatham Fish and Lobster, and we have got some food there. We ate the chowders. Also got a burger. And I've got my thing that I forgot the name of. Lobster tostada. We just finished shopping, and now we are hopefully gonna go get some ice cream. I just bought stickers. I think that's also what Noelle bought.
Yep.
Yeah, so a little bit overpriced in Chatham, I'm not gonna lie, but good time.
I know.
So this is the pier that Dad wanted to see. Pretty cool.
I was kind of worried.
We're still searching for whatever ice cream we were going to end up getting. We'll see. We are at a beach, and there is a shark flag, so apparently there are definitely sharks in these waters, as we were told. And Noelle is standing over by the water. There's also kind of a fog, which is a little interesting, but it's nice. Not super hot right now, though. It's nice to have a sandy beach, though. You don't have a lot of those in Washington. Not on the West Coast. Washington, at least. It is 9:30, and we are getting dinner. Good morning, you all. I, as you can hear, have a cold. We are going to Boston, but first we're going to CVS.
She sounds like
So
she's from Boston.
that my voice will not sound like this, hopefully, and so that I can sleep more at night. Yay. And that's the current plan.
She sounds like she's from Boston, which is like the funniest thing.
I
Like
don't think that.
certain times she talks, it sounds like she has a Boston accent.
Anyways,
Right now, but this
we're going to
morning-
Boston, and I'm hopefully going to get some coffee.
Kind of like that, like right there.
So we just had lunch in a cute little cafe. It's pretty loud in here, so I'm not entirely sure if you can hear me, but here's what it looks like. They have a pretty good assortment of little sandwiches and things. I had a mozzarella sandwich, and a variety of pastries as well. The coffee shop is called Tate. They have a thing that says Tate like latte. Alright, so we are currently in a public garden. It's pretty pleasant.
the trees.
We did, however, just witness a bunch of squirrels mating, so that was cool.
What was the word you used?
Mating.
You.
So that was joyful.
In their spring things.
It was a spring thing.
Some sexy tone.
We're in the park and we found what looks like a giant public fountain. It looks like the water is actually pretty clear. You can see even though it looks brown, so you can see the concrete at the bottom. It's only about like 6 inches deep, but lots of kids playing. This is Frog Pond, my mom has just told me. So right now we're in King's Chapel, and there's a sign here that explains that people would own these little pew box things. There's a bit of a class system where you sit in the church and what pew you own. Hi vlog, after a very large gap, I have my voice kind of back, and we're at dinner. It is Saturday.
Ow, hot. Oh my god.
Noelle's burning herself on onion rings. And Mom got herself a lobster.
Not just me, Dad and I are sharing
Dad
it.
and Mom are sharing a lobster.
see
Can I
the
have
fork.
this?
I asked.
I know
Do
the
I
part
get
I
a-
want to eat first.
Mom and Dad are having their first lobster experience.
It
Yes.
looks like it pooped.
That's great, Noel.
Do I get to have a fork
Ah,
too?
things be flying.
Oh my god.
So we just finished up at Seafood Sam's. You really can't see that. Anyways, it was pretty good. We don't generally like obstacles to our food, but eating the lobster out of the actual like shell, I feel like is an experience you gotta have once. And I mean, you might as well work for your food a little bit. So it was pretty good. I liked the legs, which are arguably the hardest to open, but they taste good.
Oh well.
Mom,
What?
say what you said.
If I was ordering it again, I would have the lobster roll where the lobster meat is already picked out for me.
Yeah, makes sense. Okay, this is the most disjointed vlog ever, but we are at Hershey's Chocolate World. Above the whole store area right now. And we are about to go on the tour of Hershey. And I think we get to taste some of their chocolate.
Read the
too.
18th.
Dairy Farm, the Hershey goodness.
On the tour we go. And now we are, oh, I found my parents, exploring the station. Then, well, candy.
made it s'more.
Ah. No. Noel made it s'more. Make sure you pick that up. Noel! Put it away properly.